Picture class, when I am coming up with the equation of an ellipse that's centered at the origin, that's going to look something like this. And then we either have a squared underneath x squared or a squared underneath y squared. And the reason why we don't determine that yet is it's determined with who's got the bigger denominator is going to be a. So in this case, the vertex are on the ends. The vertex are the either left and right end or the top and bottom of an ellipse, and the vertex is always determined by a, and a is the bigger of a squared and b squared. So because the center is 0, 0, and the vertex is 0, negative 13, that's down below. That means that we went down from the center. That's the y direction. So that means y is going to have a. So this is going to be the form of this one. A squared is under y, b squared is under x, and a is bigger than b, which means, again, that a squared is bigger than b squared. Okay, so y's got the bigger denominator in this case. So that means that the square of a, which that is a, the vertex is 0, a. This is technically negative a in this case. And then the focus is c, again, negative c in this case. So the way this works is b squared is equal to a squared minus c squared. A squared will always be bigger than c squared for the values in the ellipse. So a is the number that is in the coordinate of the vertex. So that's 13 squared is 169. Minus c is 12. That's 144. So b squared is 169 minus 144. That is 25. So that's 25. The y coordinate is a squared. That's 169. So there is our equation. All right, I always put the fractions first. Squared variable. Denominator is 25. And then it's a plus, and then a fraction again. So click the fraction, 169. So there's our equation. And then they're asking me which one of these has the right picture. So first of all, the giveaway that two of them are wrong are the location of the foci. So the foci are symmetric, just like the vertices are symmetric at the center. So if I went down 13 to get a vertex, I also go up 13 to get a vertex. If I go down 12 to get a focus, I also go up 12. And so I can see easily that the ones where I'm going left and right are out. So those are going to be incorrect because of the foci go left and right. All right, and then if you look at the picture, if this is 16, that's negative 16, you can tell with the tick marks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 tick marks. Each tick mark is 4 units. So I'm going up 4, then I'm going up 8. So that means that focus is below 8, but my focus is at 12. Just 1 unit below our vertices. So it's got to be that D is my correct plot. All right, so the key thing there is vertices and foci go in the same direction. The points that they're plotting here, the black dots that you're seeing in these options, are the plus and minus the square roots of those denominators of the x squared and y squared. So those denominators were 25 below the x squared and the 169 below the y squared. So if you take the square root of 25, that's plus and minus 5. If you take the square root of 169, it's plus and minus 13. So left and right, we go 5 units, and then up and down, we go 13 units. All right, so that's another way I could easily tell that D is the only possibility that has that, just the vertices alone.